Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you lawn enthusiasts out there. We're going to introduce you to what many consider to be the best grass seed on the market, Scott's EZ Seed Patch and Repair Sun and Shade. Whether you're looking to revive your lawn, fill in those bare spots, or simply make your grass greener and healthier, this product claims to have you covered. So, stick around as we dive into all the details. First things first, let's get to know the Scott's EZ Seed Patch and Repair Sun and Shade. This product is a game changer for anyone looking to achieve that lush, green lawn they've always dreamed of. It's not just any ordinary grass seed, it's a powerful combination of high-performance grass seed, mulch, controlled release fertilizer, tackifier, and a protectant. Scott's EZ Seed is designed to grow in various conditions, including full sun, dense shade, high traffic areas, and even on slopes. So, no matter where you live or what challenges your lawn faces, this product claims to have the solution. Let's break down some of the key features that make Scott's EZ Seed stand out from the rest. Many users have found it easy to apply and get started with this product. It's suitable for both full sun and full shade areas, making it adaptable to various lawn conditions. One bag can cover up to 445 square feet, making it cost-effective for larger lawns. Users have reported seeing results in as little as a week, which is impressive for a grass seed product. With a combination of grass seed, mulch, and fertilizer, it's a one-stop solution for lawn repair and growth. Now, let's talk about how to use Scott's EZ Seed Patch and Repair Sun and Shade effectively. Here are the 3 simple steps for success. Begin by preparing the area. Remove any dead grass and loosen the soil to create an ideal environment for the new grass to take root. Evenly apply the EZ Seed over the prepared area, ensuring that it's mostly covered but still visible. Saturate the area with water until the mulch turns dark brown, and no more water is being absorbed. It's important to plant the seed in the spring or fall when the soil temperatures are within the recommended range for best results. We always value real user experiences, so let's take a look at what people are saying about Scott's EZ Seed Patch and Repair Sun and Shade. As we can see, the majority of users have had positive experiences with this product, with many praising its effectiveness in filling in bare spots and promoting healthy grass growth. Before we wrap up, here are some additional tips and recommendations to make the most of Scott's EZ Seed. Keep the newly seeded area consistently moist to encourage germination. Try not to disturb the area too much until the grass reaches a height of at least 3 inches. For larger areas, consider buying in bulk to save on cost. And there you have it, folks. Scott's EZ Seed Patch and Repair Sun and Shade. A product that many consider to be the best grass seed for various regions and lawn conditions. It's easy to use, versatile, and can deliver results in no time. If you're looking to transform your lawn, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. As always, remember that results may vary depending on your specific circumstances, so be sure to follow the instructions carefully. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've used Scott's EZ Seed or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more unbiased product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, keep your lawns green and your gardens blooming.